Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create and configure a cron job on Linux so you can automate repetitive tasks like backups, cleanups, or scheduled reports without lifting a finger. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide is going to be super simple to follow. So what exactly is a cron job? Cron is a time-based job scheduler in Unix-like operating systems. A cron job is simply a command or script that you set to run automatically at specific intervals, like every minute, daily, at midnight, or even once a month. Think of it as your personal assistant that never forgets to run tasks. Most Linux systems come with cron pre-installed, but you can check if it's running by using this command I just run. If it's not running, start it with this command. To create or edit a cron job, we use the crontab command. If it's your first time, it might ask you to choose an editor. Just pick nano if you're not sure. This is where you enter or edit your cron jobs. In this window, you'll see either a blank space or some example lines starting with the pound symbol. Those lines are just comments explaining how the scheduling format works. You can then type a line that says when and what command should run. The moment you save and close the file, Linux stores those instructions, and cron will quietly follow them in the background at the exact times you set. Before we start typing anything, let's take a look at how cron jobs are formatted. A cron job follows this basic format. The 5 stars represent from left to right. First star, minutes 0 to 59 seconds star, hour 0 to 23, third star, day of month 1 to 31, fourth star, month 1 to 12, and last one, day of week 0 to 7, where 0 and 7 are Sunday. This will visually explain this. A cron job has 5 time fields followed by the command. Each number or symbol represents when something should run. The first one means run at minute 0 of every hour. In other words, it will run once at the very start of each hour, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and so on, all day, every day. Second one means run at 3:30 a.m. every day. Only once a day, right at 3:30 in the morning, every day of the month, all year. The last one means run at 12 o'clock midnight every Sunday. The first 0 is the minute, the second 0 is the hour, and the last number 0 means Sunday in cron's week numbering. If I want to run a script every day at 2:30 a.m., I'd write like this. If you want to clear the temp folder every day at midnight, your cron job will look like this. If you want to add the cron job to your cron job file on your system, just add it at the end of the file like this, then save the file. There is also a brief explanation on how to format a cron job in the file itself. To see all your scheduled cron jobs, run this command. To remove all jobs, you can run this command. And that's it. Now you can automate tasks like a pro. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more Linux tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one.